Good day, good morning, good evening, and good night. Truman Show. This is not the Truman Show. This is a true man, woman, whatever you identify with show. This is the Code Call. And this is day 103 of at least 200 days. And you can already see a little bit in the screen share, so we have no time to lose. Leon Andersen is here. Leon, how are you doing?
Hello. Doing good. Good. Today was a lot of wrestling with setting up the damn subscribe form. But it taught me a lot of concepts and it felt amazing in the moments that I got them. And yeah, basically API points in Next.js and a framework basically of how to think of client side and server side inside of Next.js. We'll go into details tomorrow. Today's just a short announcement stream, but maybe just a little teaser or concept. The main about it is to basically think of everything that's React components as client side and everything that's wait a second, doing multitasking here. Everything that's not that side basically. So this includes mostly, for example, what's in the API folder. So here this subscribe API, for example, has a post handler which does some API stuff, some routing stuff, one could say. That is not a React component, has not much to do with React. So that's a good categorization. But also here in our subscribe form, we have, no, not in here. This is all client side. Do we have something in the nav bar? We don't. Index. A little bit. We have the get static props. This, for example, is also basically server side because it's a way for the server to know what to pre-render and what to populate the components with. So that's back-end stuff. And our gigantic file here, for me at least, gigantic post data utility file, which acts like as a translator from the markdown to the actual posts and to the post list. This one has get static. Where is get static path here? Where are you? No, it's not here. But this is this is back-end stuff. This is not front-end stuff. Are these React components? No, not really. No, they are functions. So like pure JavaScript functions, no HTML in those. Where is it then? I mean, in the index we have the get static props, but where do we have the get static paths? Where are you? Oh, I already forgot that we have this ID file. Pass. This one as well is backend, just as this is. And one great point is to, or let's say, anchor to know why this is not client side, is also because it's not, even though it's in the same file as this component here, this React component, it's not inside of the React component. So that's why it's still server side. That's very important, and the exact flow and the steps in between we will talk about tomorrow, because tomorrow I will also have had a proper look at the MailChimp documentation, because I naively took what ChatGPT told me about the syntax of how to interact with it from the API point, the subscribe API point that I built in the API folder. And that may be one of the last hurdles in between a successful subscribe form. And yeah, we'll see tomorrow everything in detail then. And maybe before I go on, if there's anything that I forgot or misdescribed.
No, it's great, and I hope we can make it work tomorrow, and then we can do a full walkthrough on how people can build their own subscription button into their blogs if they also want them. And like figuring out the MailChimp API is not easy. Like MailChimp is a great service, but I would say they're not very developer friendly. It takes quite a bit of time to figure that out. So luckily, Leon Andersen will do that for you. And if you want to build your own blog with a subscribe form, definitely tune in tomorrow, because you will just get the solution delivered to you on a silver platter. Maybe the day after tomorrow. We don't want to jinx it, but some of the next streams will definitely show you how to do this in a very good way.
Yes, looking very much forward to it. And until then, I have prepared just a little a fun little demonstration today, what one can do with already existing color schemes. So this is what it looked like before, very purpley, and like having these colorful badges and colorful borders. And to me, that was too much color. I want everything to be shades of gray, but in the syntax or the code itself, I want that to be colorful and everything else to be shades of gray. And that's what I did here. A lot of different stuff which one can easily find through ChatGPT, the individual things. So I basically looked for how, hey ChatGPT, how is this the bar on the left called, and the little notifications there, how are they called, and how can I change the color of them. And this way I got everything of those together, and then I this quite different vibe, even though of course the colors are very let's say like the text colors are still very colorful and a little bit artificial maybe, but I think that's a good direction. I will show you my final theme as soon as I change the text colors as well into a little bit more chill, but still very colorful. And yeah, I always have to think of dolphins and cotton candy when I'm using, or when I'm inside of here and seeing those bubble gum, and it's like a candy dolphin theme at this point. Maybe I can upload that sometime as well. But yeah, anyways, that was just a little fun for today, and that's it.
Sweet. So that's it for today. Tune in the next days to see how to build your own email subscribe form. In the meantime, you know what you have to do. Always be coding. This has been day 103 of 200 days of code, and I believe day 3 of 100 days of gym, right? With
Leon Andersen. Yes, that's correct. Today is day 3 of 100 days of gym, which I can confirm that yesterday after the, I think it was after the code call, I still did go to the gym, which I will do today as well, of course. And yeah, my name is Leon Andersen, and my mentor is called
LF Mill, aka the one that everyone says. And when they see him, so, or them, or us, the gang, everyone from 10x Dev. Thank you everyone for tuning in. We love to see you tomorrow and the day after that, and so on. Thank you.
Always be coding and quacking.